You coughed. Yeah, I guess so. Get out. What? Get out of my house right now. You coughed on my premises. Dude, I coughed once. Yeah, and that's one time too many. What, are you trying to make me ill? What? No! Yep. Yeah, it could very easily be serious. Mate, I literally coughed once. Right, thanks. Yeah, you must be dangerously ill, right? I don't know. What do you think you have? I'll see if I can try and find it. It's called I'm a little dehydrated. I don't think what you have is here. It must be something new. God. Okay, what do you want to name it? What? The new disease. What do you want to name your new disease? Nothing. I coughed once. Okay. How about we give it a more creative name, you know? Something like, I don't know, Mate, do just stop, okay? Okay, mate, well, it's your life at stake here, and it will be mine too if you keep being in the same house with me, so I advise you going out and seeing the doctor. Nobody's life is at stake here. Yours is, and mine will be as well if you keep coughing everywhere. Okay, look. I only coughed once, okay? You don't need to be so paranoid. Look, coughing once is not serious. If I continue to cough every 10 seconds, yes, that could be serious, but I coughed once in like an hour. Look, what I'm trying to say is there's nothing for you to worry about. I'm perfectly healthy, and everyone needs to clear their throat every now and then. I am a perfectly healthy, well-made individual, and I promise you, I'm not going to die. Well, I warned him.